catch this shuttle bus over here from the visitor center, so that's pretty cool. So it's going to be about a 22-mile day today, and we'll camp at the North Rim, and then do it again tomorrow. Okay, so we are here at the South Kaibab Trailhead on April 5th. It is 6:30 a.m. and we are about to start the rim to rim to rim. I'm here with Vinny, aka Radio. Let's get started. This is aptly named Ooh Ah Point. This is so cool. This is a video. This is amazing. There's the sun still rising over there. Right there is a bighorn sheep. That guy right there. That's so cool. That's my first one I've ever seen.
Good eye. Never would have saw that.
That's amazing. We just got our first view of the Colorado River. Right down there. Got some mule action down a couple miles or a mile and a half above the Colorado.
Nice day, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Morning,
y'all. How you doing?
Good morning. Good. How are you?
Good.
Alright. Keep
It's a
going.
beautiful view right here.
Yeah, it is.
This is not even like half the canyon. And you can't tell just by looking at it from the top. Like, so you get down to like this, where there's like this platform, and from the top that can sometimes look like the bottom of the canyon, but it's not the bottom of the canyon. How do you feel? How you feeling?
Overwhelmed and small.
Overwhelmed?
Pretty toasty. It's a great temperature down here.
It was nice and cool up at the rim, and now it's getting pretty warm.
Yeah, might have to take a little dip in the Rado.
Yeah, right.
Good way to die. Actually, I bet you could probably spend a lot of time down here exploring.
Yeah, totally. I mean, the rim to rim is just scratching the surface. So we made it down here to, what is this, Manzanita something. Anyway, it's pretty nice down here. Got nice water down there and a spigot there, and they got these pretty nice benches too. And this is only 5 or so miles and about a little more than 3,000 feet to the North Rim. And it's only 1 o'clock, so we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit and take a nice long break before the climb up to the North Rim. We think up there is the North Rim.
We hope.
We hope.
Big last push.
Big last push. I think this might be the Supai Tunnel, but I don't really know. Oh, I'm really tired. Oh, it's cool.
I can't believe that was only 0.6.
Really?
Yeah, I still have 2 more.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Yeah, watch it. This view gets better and better
Overall,
the closer we get to the rim.
that was a horrible idea.
There's the North Rim. North Kaibab Trailhead. Whew, some awesome views today. Oh, and by the way, the guy in the backcountry information office, he's like, you know there's 5 feet of snow up at the North Rim. And I was a little freaked out by that, but I was skeptical, and yeah, it turned out to be a load of crap. Anyway, we're here at the North Rim Village, and it's pretty nice. Nobody's here because it's technically not their open season yet, but got these sweet rocking chairs, gourmet meal of cold-soaked beans and ramen.
Mm-hmm.
They got a full-service bathroom with a sink and hand dryer. Pretty nice up here. It is 6:30 a.m. again, and we are just starting down from the North Kaibab Trailhead. Check out Humphreys Peak, looming way in the distance. There it is. That's really cool. Around every turn, it's just so incredible in this place. So right now, I'm walking in Bright Angel Canyon, sort of like a little sub-canyon of the Grand Canyon. It shoots off from the Colorado River, and you'll follow it north, all the way pretty much to the North Rim. Like you can see how high it is. It's just one tiny part. So, we made it back to Phantom Ranch, and we're just hanging out, taking a break, and soon we're gonna start the last 7.5 mile climb back to the South Rim. And then rim to rim to rim will be in the books.
In the books.
In the books.
And even though it took 2 days, it's actually a pretty short amount of hiking hours, I'd say.
Yeah, we actually didn't hike all that much, but it's been really fun.
It's been good.
Been good.
This part's not going to be fun probably, but at least it'll be pretty.
I am pretty sore. Both my quads are tightening up pretty bad. So this last climb is gonna suck just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
And it's noon, so it's gonna be right in the heat of the day, but we're gonna tank up on water here, so should be alright.
Yeah. And of all places in the world when they say there's no shade, this is literally a place where there is no shade. The entire trail is exposed.
Well, going up.
Yeah.
But anything else
No,
that the good people should know?
No, feels like we're in a PCT town, except I haven't had like a pint of ice cream and 2 burgers and stuff. But this is a nice Phantom Ranch is cool.
You can save that for the rim.
Yeah, if you want to spend some money and come down and stay down here, it's a pretty cool place.
So this is a really nice way to do the rim to rim to rim if you don't, or you can't, or you don't want to run it in one day when you don't want to deal with the crazy permits. This is a good way to do it.
Yeah, all you have to do is deal with 5 feet of snow.
Yeah.
And
yeah, there's 5 feet of snow at the north rim, just watch out. All we have to do now is hike from here up there.
You used to have a cable car. I think it's way sweeter.
Alright, made it to the Tonto platform. A little over 3,000 feet to go. It's a pretty tough climb, and it's very exposed and very hot right now. It's beautiful.
Remind me to train for the high route if we do it.
Okay, remember to train for the high route if we do it. Okay, the finish line is in sight. It's right up there. You might be able to see a few people up there. South Kaibab Trailhead. Rim to rim to rim. Complete. How was it?
That was hard. I am not in hiking shape.
It was pretty hard, but it's well worth it. Now I'll hang out up here for a little bit, get some food, catch the sunset from the rim, and I guess it'll be on to Zion tomorrow. Whew.